Hey everybody, welcome back to Eileen's Craft Nook. Today I have, I don't know what you would call this, a paddle, I guess. Or it could be like a serving board. Uh, and I have a sticker. This is one of the UV DTF stickers, which I am obsessed with lately. They're just so pretty and so inexpensive. And here I am just looking at what mica do I want to use. I have these two pretty colors. I think I got these off of Temu. I don't remember. They don't have any colors on them. But I thought with the colors on the sticker, I'm going to do a mix of these two. And one's kind of like a, I don't know, salmon colored, and the other one's more of a beigey color. And I think these two mixed together will match the colors and the flowers and the bird really nicely. So let's see what we get when we mix this together. As always with mica, you want to give it a good mix or you can end up with lumps in it. And what will happen is you'll get pieces of undissolved mica, and those will float up in your piece as it's curing, and you don't want to have that happen. So just make sure you give them a good mix. And I did put my resin through the my bubble removing machine before I did this. The machine, I love that machine. I got it for Christmas, and I don't have any regrets. So I'm going to just get this in. It's not filled to the top because I do want to put, I will be putting a top coat on. You don't have to with these stickers, but I'm going to be putting a top coat on anyways. So it's not quite full. I will see you when this is dry. All right, with our first coat dry, I'm going to use this really pretty DTV DTV UV sticker is what they call it. Now, I'm going to trim it. So I've already, what I did, you can't really see it. You can see it a little bit here. I set it on here and I just kind of traced it with the pen. So I'm going to trim it off because it's a little wide for it. And then I might be able to use some of these pieces in the top and bottom because it's a little short for it as well. So I'm going to get that trimmed up. Oh, there they are. I couldn't find the scissors I liked, but here they are. All right, so I'm just going to trim along that pen mark that I traced it with, like so. Just going to round these edges. All right, now that's going to fit in there. I need to trim a bit more here. That's so pretty. And I might see if I can okay, yeah, see I can make a friend up at this end. Or maybe put it right there like that. So I'm just going to cut out where it says make a friend. I'll put it right there. It still needs to be trimmed a bit right down at the bottom here. There we go. Now, I think I will take this down to the bottom. Or should I have, yeah, no, I think I'll take it down to the bottom. And let me see if I can use any of this up here. So should I do the make a friend like that? Or would it be better like this? There we go. That could go up in there. If you're thumping in the background, that's my son listening to music downstairs. Oops. Okay. I lost it. There it is. Okay. Let's get the main one on. Just going to soften this up a bit so it doesn't have that. Just going to curve it a little bit so it doesn't have the harsh straight line. All right, so to get this on, we're going to peel the back. There should be a coating on both sides, so we're going to peel the back, lay it down, and then take the top coating off. I might have to get my tape. Bring you guys out a bit so you can see a bit better. There we go. Seems dark in here today. Let's see if we can get this apart. Great. Okay, there we go. So we're going to peel the back off. And then we are going to, once this is on, it's on. So you don't want to make a mistake. Now, if I were smart, I probably would have peeled only part of it off and then laid it down, but, you know, and make sure there's nothing on the back of it. Okay. Now, I'm going to peel up the top. It should just leave the design, but peel it slowly. I'm just going to get this, make sure it's laid down. Oh, pushed away at my mold. Okay. Oh, this one's stuck on there. It's hard to do it slow when it's coming up like that, isn't it? There. Okay, so it came off clean. Sticky thing that is. Now I want to put the Make a Friend on there. My fingers are not working today. Come on. Okay. Tape is too small. There we go. Okay, I'm going to place this across the top. Like so. This reminds me of laying vinyl, this stuff, like you get with your Cricut. Because this tape on here is a lot like transfer tape. Very sticky. Okay, that came out nice. Now, do I need to add any of the extra pieces? I don't know that I do. I don't think they add to it. No. All right. So I'm going to top coat this. Let's see. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? I don't know if I like that or not. Can't make up my mind. I don't think I do. I don't think it adds anything to it. So let's just put our resin in. All right, I once again ran this through the bubble removing machine because I really want to have that nice clear top coat. And I made just the right amount. I know it's not often happen for me, but it was like the perfect amount. So I'll see you guys when this is cured. Okay, it's done. Let's take a look, see what we have. I definitely have a little bit of trimming to do. Let me just do that. All right, a little bit of trimming, not much to do. Minor. And here we go. Oh, that's beautiful. Very lovely piece. To hang up in your kitchen, bathroom. You could use that as a tray to put items on. Very nice. So that's just another example using these UV DTF stickers, which I love. They're simple to use, very inexpensive. You can buy them at a variety of different places, and really nice. All right, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.